Toilet Day, Goa Can has been highlighting this issue of public toilets for a very long time. One of the issues what we are saying is that every panchayat and every municipality should publicize what is the public toilet facility available. If there are 2 toilets or 10 toilets, there should be a board at least at the bus stand or main road about toilet is at so and so place. Second point is that there should be a standardization of rates. Whatever be the rate, but it should be standard across Goa or in that area, the rate should be standard. Now, as we have seen in Panjim bus stand, one toilet is 2 rupees, one toilet the rate is 3 rupees, another toilet is 5 rupees. This creates confusion and creates conflict with the consumers. And third point we want to raise is the question of sanitation, cleanliness. See, in many public toilets we are seeing somebody just put some powder, some chlorine, whatever. Our point is Directorate of Health Services should come out with a standard policy of maintaining this toilet across Goa. Whether it's an urban area, whether it's a rural area, how should that public toilet be maintained? Because this is very important, cleanliness, hygiene, particularly for ladies' toilets. This is more important. And other point we want to highlight is many of these public toilets are not accessible to the senior citizens and disabled persons. So, our request on this occasion of World Toilet Day that government should start looking at simple fittings. Maybe the door is not properly fitted, maybe the railing is not there, so grip to stand up, sit down. These are simple things. It doesn't require much investment. We are also pleased to see that Sulabh Shauchalaya has done a lot of good work. Recently, many of the toilets they have upgraded, they have refurbished, which is a good step. However, we have to see that toilets are required for the whole of Goa. So we should not be limit ourselves only to the toilets in the main cities of Mapsa, Margao, Panjim, Ponda. The toilet facility should be all over, and we would shortly write to the government, to both district collectors, that there can be even a website where the toilet details are given. This is very important. See that tourist today is on mobile. The tourist has access to apps. So if such a facility is created, it will be very good. And the water facility is very important. आमकां अशें गिरायक अशें कंप्लेनी येले टॉयलेटान भितर गेले उपरांत उदीक ना तो मागीर तुका जाय उदीक एक बाटली 10 रुपया दी म्हणटा तो ही परिस्थिती जावंक शकना. And we are concerned particularly of tourists during the time of visit to Goa for exposition and this tourist season. They should not be put to hardship, and if they have got any complaints, these complaints should be entertained. Therefore, we are demanding that complaint book, email ID and mobile number should be displayed at all public toilets. So, whether it is woman, senior citizen or any child also, he can file his complaint. So, this is our demand, and as per this, we will be making a representation to all authorities on this occasion.